In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Google Docs templates. This is a fantastic way to streamline your document creation process by using pre-designed formats that suit a variety of needs, whether for business, education, or personal use. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open Google and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once that's done, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your Google homepage for a cluster of dots arranged in a square. This is your gateway to the Google Apps menu, affectionately known as the Google Waffle. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your ticket to a range of Google services at your fingertips. After you've clicked on the Google Apps icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of Google services. Among these will be Google Docs, marked by a blue document icon. It's typically located towards the top end of the list, but the exact position may vary depending on your usage history. Click on the Google Docs icon to proceed. Now that you're inside Google Docs, take a look around the main page. At the very top of the page, to the right of the main menu, you'll see an option that says Template Gallery. This is where Google stores its extensive collection of document templates designed for just about every occasion. Clicking on Template Gallery will open up a world of possibilities organized into categories like work, personal, and education, to name a few. Once the Template Gallery opens, you'll see a series of templates laid out, showcasing different styles and functions. Spend some time scrolling through the options, paying attention to the format and style, and think about which would best fit your needs. Whether it's a resume, a project proposal, or a class presentation, there's likely something that will fit your requirements. When you find a template that catches your eye, simply click on it. This action will create a new document in Google Docs using the selected template, and you can start customizing it to suit your specific needs. Feel free to edit any part of the template, the title, headings, body text, and layout, because these templates are designed to be fully customizable, giving you both structure and flexibility. And that's it. You're now equipped with a stylish, professional document template, ready to be tailored for your specific purpose. The use of templates in Google Docs not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of your documents with minimal effort. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make the most of Google Docs' robust features. Thanks for watching and happy creating!